In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Counter-Strike failed with the latest update. If Counter-Strike has stopped working or refuses to launch after installing a recent update, don't worry. This is a common issue that can often be resolved with a simple adjustment in Steam. Follow along as I walk you through the process step by step so you can get back into the game as quickly as possible. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If Steam isn't already running, launch it from your desktop shortcut or your applications menu. Once the client is loaded, check whether you're already signed in. If not, click the Sign In button to access your account. When the login page appears, enter your account name and password carefully. Taking a moment to verify your credentials can help prevent unnecessary login errors. Once everything looks correct, click Sign In to continue. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to the Steam homepage, where you can access your library and account settings. Next, click on the Library tab located near the top of the Steam window. This section contains all of the games associated with your Steam account. Browse through your list of installed games until you find Counter-Strike. Once you've located it, right-click on the game's title to open the context menu, then select Properties. The Properties window contains several settings that can help troubleshoot game-related issues. From the options on the left, locate and click the Betas section. This is where Steam allows you to choose between different available versions of the game when developers provide them. Inside the Betas section, you'll find the Beta Participation option with a drop-down menu. Open the menu and select the latest version that's available. Developers often release newer beta builds that include fixes for problems introduced by recent updates, so switching to the latest available version can resolve launch or stability issues. After making your selection, give Steam a few moments to download and apply any required files. Depending on the size of the update and your internet connection, this may take a little time. Once the update is finished installing, return to your library and launch Counter-Strike again to see if the issue has been resolved. In many cases, simply ensuring that you're using the latest available game version is enough to fix problems caused by a recent update. If the game starts normally, then you've successfully completed the process. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to fix Counter-Strike after the latest update using Steam's built-in beta settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you get back into the game. Happy gaming, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.